Hi guys, today we will discuss chain maps and counter from the collections module. Okay, so there I've imported the two modules and I'm going to define two dictionaries. Okay, so there we've got two dictionaries defined. So if you'd like to put these two dictionaries into a list, you can't use the list constructor to convert dictionaries into a list. Okay, you have to use chain map. Okay, so now you see you've got the two dictionaries in a list. There's the first dictionary, there's the second dictionary. Now you can use the list constructor with a chain map, which is in essence a list of dictionaries, and you can convert it into a list. But you'll notice that it actually removes the duplicate key. Okay, let's talk about the counter module. The counter module will count things, as the name implies, and that's very useful. Okay, so as you can see, for the string, it counted all the letters and it told you how many of each letter there was, or should I say all the characters. So it also counted the white space, so the spaces in between, 1, 2, 3. So it counted 3, and it tells you all the characters in that string, how many there are. Likewise with a number list, it'll tell you how many occurrences there are of each number in that list. Okay, so yeah, I have taken the counter module with my numbers, and I've put it into a number variable. And the reason for doing that is we can now call other methods with that. Okay, so now what the elements method will do is it'll take the numbers in the order they appear and it will list them out. So as you can see, the 6 comes first, so it'll tell you exactly how many 6s there were. Okay, and if you look at my counting, 6 occurred 5 times. There it is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, and see that 1 is the next number. 1 appeared 3 times, and according to my count here, 1, 3 times. The most common method will change it into a tuple output instead of a dictionary output. That's a dictionary output. This is a tuple output. Now you also have a subtract method. To use the subtract method, you first define a dictionary with the items that you want to subtract. Okay, so now it has subtracted the numbers. Okay, so as you can see, look now very carefully because I said subtract 1 from 6. How many 6 do we have now? 6 has now only got 4 count when above it had 5. And I subtracted 3 from 2. So 2 will have now fallen down the order. So 2 has now only got 3 count when previously it had 6 count. Right, guys, just a quick challenge. How would you count the words in a string? Stop the video now and see if you can solve that problem. So guys, here's the answer. You use the split function, which will then output a list of all the words, and then you just count the words and it will give you the word count. Right, guys, that's it for today's tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. Cheers.